In front of me is LG K42, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate emoji suggestion on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select system, and here click on language and keyboard. Go to manage keyboards then, and as you can see, Gboard is your default keyboard. This is the one, so smoothly click on it and then select text correction. And here we've got show emoji suggestions, so you can smoothly unmark it to deactivate this feature or make the indicator active to have it turned on. And this is it. This is how you can activate emoji suggestions and also how you can switch it off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.